Okay guys, well here's my Hoover Model 305 that I picked up today at a thrift shop, Volunteers of America. Now, it may look very similar to right here, which is one of my Model 28s, but I noticed one of the biggest differences that I can see off the top of my head there is this actually has Hoover
embossed
stamped into the hood.
Yeah, it's stamped.
So, well, also these are old enough too. These wouldn't be plastic. This would be back in the days of Bakelite. And she runs tremendously well. She doesn't do too well on deep pile carpet, but also think about how it wasn't really deep pile carpet back in that kind of time.
Let's see if it can agitate this piece. Nope.
Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.